Hey, Leo here from MarineMax. Today you join me in front of a brand new in-stock 2025 Sea Ray Boats SPX 210. This is a great boat for the family, very easy to maneuver. Comes on the trailer that you see it with here, tandem axle. This particular boat is in the Sea Ray blue with the white bottom. We've also equipped it with the optional water sports tower and Bimini. It's a great package to get out on the water, do a little bit of everything. Let's climb aboard and check out the interior. Starting out on the transom of this SPX 210, the first thing you'll notice is this boat has the stone interior. It's a great look with the new stitching for the 2024 and up model year boats. Back here on the swim platform, we've got a couple notable options. You see we've got the glue down SeaDek, as well as the Submersible Swim Platform here. We've got a tow point, a nice grab handle, and then a telescoping ladder underneath this hatch over here on your starboard side. As we walk inside the boat, you're gonna have plenty of storage here in your walkthrough, right under my feet there, as well as a cooler style storage right here. Got a nice L-shaped seating area here to hang out, space for a cooler up underneath this seat, as well as a multi-position seat back here that allows you to customize your seating experience on this side of the boat. We've got the snap-in flooring in here, which very easily removes to be cleaned out. This boat's gonna have a bucket seat here for your driver. Your steering wheel is gonna be on a tilt base here, and you've also got a flip-up bolster so you can really customize your seating position. You've got a throttle control there, USB charger just below. You got your key switch, and all of your switching for your lighting and things like that are right there. Your driver's also gonna have a Simrad NSX series screen here, as well as controls for the main Fusion audio head unit. Over on the port side, you're gonna have a nice glove box in here. Great place for your phone or your keys, as well as some additional storage underneath this console. We've got a flip over windshield here, which is a nice option. And up at the very front of the boat, you'll notice a very comfortable seating arrangement here. You've got cup holders for your forward passengers. There's an optional filler cushion that can go in here as well. 2 speakers, grab handles up here as well. And one of the nice features on these SPX 210s is a dedicated anchor locker up at the very front of the boat. That's been a quick overview of this 2025 Sea Ray Boats SPX 210. If you have any questions, give us a call. Check us out at MarineMax.com or stop by today and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.